Hey there, it's William. Today we're tackling an issue that some of you might be facing with your LG front load washer, a dead display. If your washer's display isn't lighting up, don't worry. It's a problem you can fix yourself. We'll guide you through inspecting the noise filter, the main PCB, and the display control. Now before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful do-it-yourself appliance repair tips. Let's get that washer back in working order together. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are appliancepartspros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a Flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter to get the job done. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. With the power disconnected and our tools in hand, we are ready to start troubleshooting. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 2 mounting screws securing the top panel to the washer, located at the back corners. We're sliding the top panel to the rear of the washer, lifting it up, and then setting it to the side. We're plugging the power cord back in and setting our meter to volts AC, which looks like a V with a squiggly line. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. We're testing the 2 wires at the white connector for 120 volts AC. Now, if you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. If there is 120 volts present, we will do the same for the red connector. If there's not 120 volts AC present at the red connector, the noise filter has failed and would need to be replaced. If voltage is present, we can continue troubleshooting. Since we found 120 volts AC at the noise filter, we are going to look for an illuminated red LED on the main control. If the red LED is illuminated, we will need to check for voltage at the 8-pin 6-wire connector going to the display control. With our meter set to DC voltage, which looks like a V with a dotted line, we are testing from the red wire with our black probe to the orange wire with our red probe. We should read 12 volts DC. We're also testing from the red wire with the black probe to the yellow wire with our red probe, and we should see 5 volts DC. If the LED is not illuminated or the DC voltage is not present, like we see here, the main control needs to be replaced. If the red LED is illuminated and DC voltage is present, the display control would be the cause of failure. If there was 120 volts AC at the noise filter and the main control LED was illuminated and DC voltage was present, the display control would be the most likely cause of failure as identified by the process of elimination. Since we found the main control has failed, I'm going to show you how to replace it. We're unplugging the power cord, grabbing our Phillips screwdriver, and we are removing the pressure sensor mounting screw and letting the sensor hang to the side. We're going to the back of the washer and removing the 1 screw from the main control housing, securing it to the back panel. With these removed, we can grab our flathead screwdriver and use it to release the locking tabs of the main control housing cover. The cover can be rotated out and set to the side. Now we're going to slide the main control towards the center of the washer, then pull it away from the back panel. We're rotating the control to be able to clearly see the wire connectors. This would be a good time to take a picture of the connections before removing them. It helps with reassembly. We're disconnecting the wires from the main control. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at appliancepartspros.com. We are inserting the wires into the main control, then sliding it into place on the back panel. We are securing the main control cover to the main control, then installing the mounting screw we removed from the back panel. Now we're mounting the pressure sensor onto the cover with the Phillips screw we removed. We're grabbing the top panel, sliding it into place, and securing it with the screws that we removed at the beginning. Don't forget to plug your power cord back in, and with that, we are done. Once you've identified the malfunctioning component, be it the noise filter, the main PCB, or the display control, make sure to have your washer's model number handy and visit appliancepartspros.com to order the necessary replacement part. Most orders will arrive at your doorstep within just a few days, getting you one step closer to a fully functioning washer. Once your part arrives, revisit our video guides to assist you with the installation. We love to hear about your repair journey, so please share your experience with us by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching and taking the do-it-yourself route to appliance repair.